What if living healthier didn't mean extreme diets, exhausting workouts, or giving up the foods you love? In the ultimate guide to healthy living, we break down what actually works, using simple, science-backed habits anyone can follow. This video brings together the core pillars of healthy living: smart nutrition, practical fitness, mental well-being, recovery, and daily routines that support long-term energy and longevity. You'll learn how small lifestyle changes can dramatically improve your health, focus, and quality of life without overwhelm. Whether you're just starting your wellness journey or looking to optimize your health, this guide gives you clear, actionable strategies to build a balanced, sustainable, healthy lifestyle that lasts. Welcome to your ultimate guide to healthy living. Today we embark on a journey that transcends fleeting trends and quick fixes, focusing instead on a holistic approach to well-being. We believe true health is not just the absence of illness, but a vibrant state of physical, mental, and emotional harmony. Our focus is on achieving a harmonious balance across three fundamental pillars: the food we eat, the fitness we embrace, and the mindset we cultivate. This isn't about restrictive diets or grueling workouts. It's about sustainable lifestyle changes that empower you for the long haul. We are here to help you build a foundation for enduring health and profound happiness. Food is more than just fuel. It is the very foundation of your health and vitality. To truly nourish your body, prioritize wholesome, unprocessed foods that come directly from nature. This shift is crucial for optimal bodily function and sustained energy. Embrace a nutrient-rich diet, brimming with colorful fruits and a wide variety of vegetables. Incorporate lean proteins to support muscle repair and growth, alongside whole grains for sustained energy and essential fiber. These choices provide the micronutrients your body craves. Practice mindful eating to truly connect with your body's signals. Pay close attention to portion sizes, understanding that moderation is key to balance. Learn to recognize your body's natural hunger cues before you become ravenous, and its fullness cues before you overeat. Cooking at home gives you unparalleled control over your ingredients. This simple habit significantly reduces your reliance on processed foods, which often contain hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and excessive sodium. Preparing your own meals empowers you to make healthier choices. Adequate hydration is often overlooked, but profoundly important. Make it a priority to drink ample water throughout your day, every day. Water supports every bodily function, from digestion to temperature regulation, and is essential for overall well-being. Finally, consider supplements only with professional guidance. While a balanced diet is paramount, supplements can address specific individual needs or potential deficiencies. Always consult a healthcare professional to determine what is right for you. Regular physical activity is absolutely crucial for maintaining a healthy weight and boosting your energy levels. Beyond the aesthetic benefits, it profoundly improves your overall physical health, strengthening your heart, bones, and immune system. Moreover, fitness is a powerful tool for enhancing your mental health, reducing stress, and improving mood. The key is to find activities you genuinely enjoy and can sustain over time. Exercise should be a source of joy, not a chore. Explore different options until you discover what truly resonates with you and fits into your lifestyle. Incorporate a combination of exercise types for comprehensive benefits. Cardiovascular exercises like running, swimming, or cycling are vital for heart health and endurance. Strength training builds muscle mass, boosts metabolism, and improves bone density. Don't forget flexibility and balance exercises such as yoga or Pilates. These practices are excellent for injury prevention, improving posture, and enhancing overall body awareness. A well-rounded routine addresses all aspects of physical well-being. Consistency is far more important than intensity when it comes to workouts. Aim for regular movement, even if it's just for short periods. Small, consistent efforts accumulate into significant long-term gains. If you're new to fitness, start small and gradually increase intensity and duration. Listen to your body and avoid pushing too hard too soon. This approach helps prevent injury and builds a sustainable habit for life. Your mindset is arguably the most powerful pillar of healthy living. Learning to manage stress effectively is paramount in today's fast-paced world. Chronic stress can undermine both physical and mental health, so developing coping mechanisms is essential. Cultivate self-compassion, treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a dear friend. This practice fosters resilience and a healthier relationship with yourself. Remember, you are doing your best. Practice mindfulness to anchor yourself in the present moment. Techniques like meditation and deep breathing exercises can calm your nervous system and enhance mental clarity. Spending time in nature is another powerful way to practice mindfulness and reconnect with the world around you. Set realistic goals that are achievable and meaningful to you. Breaking larger aspirations into smaller, manageable steps prevents overwhelm and builds momentum. Celebrate every small victory along the way, acknowledging your progress and effort. Learn from setbacks rather than being discouraged by them. View challenges as opportunities for growth and adjustment. Every experience, positive or negative, offers valuable lessons that contribute to your journey. Cultivate a positive self-image by focusing on your strengths and unique qualities. Challenge negative self-talk and replace it with affirmations that uplift and empower you. Your perception of yourself profoundly impacts your well-being. Finally, practice gratitude daily. Regularly acknowledging the good things in your life, no matter how small, shifts your perspective towards positivity and abundance. Gratitude is a powerful antidote to negativity and a cornerstone of a resilient mindset. You now have a comprehensive framework for achieving lasting well-being. This guide emphasizes a balanced and integrated approach to food, fitness, and mindset, recognizing that each pillar supports and strengthens the others. True health is a symphony of these elements working in harmony. By consciously nurturing your body with wholesome food, engaging in regular physical activity, and cultivating a positive, resilient mindset, you are actively building a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. This journey is about empowerment and self-care. Remember, the goal is progress over perfection. There will be days when you falter, and that is perfectly normal. What matters most is your commitment to getting back on track and continuing your journey with kindness and determination. Embrace this lifestyle that supports both your physical and mental health, creating a foundation for a vibrant future. This is your ultimate guide to thriving, not just surviving. You have the power to transform your life, one mindful choice at a time. Like the video, comment which habit you'll start today, and subscribe for more evidence-based health, fitness, and wellness content every week. Thanks for watching the video.